Welcome back to Generative AI 101, the podcast where we slice through the tangled jungle of AI like a machete-wielding explorer. I'm Emily Laird, your Indiana Jones of this AI techno wonderland. Today, we're peeling back the layers on Google's latest marvel in generative AI, which is Gemini. Buckle up, folks, because we are diving into a world where machine learning is as multifaceted as a five-star meal. Welcome to Generative AI 101. All right, let's get into it. First up, let's roll back the clock. You know I like to go back to the future. Picture it, 2011. Google kicks off its Brain project, diving headfirst into the deep end of deep learning and neural networks. Fast forward to 2014, and they scoop up DeepMind, a heavyweight in AI research. Remember 2017? We talked about it. That's when they brought us the transformer architecture, flipping the script on natural language processing. Google's been playing the long game, folks, and it's paying off big time. Now let's talk evolution, because we didn't always have Gemini. Bard, Google's first public-facing generative AI chatbot, was initially powered by something called LaMDA. Okay, what's LaMDA, you're asking? Think of it as Google's brainchild for having natural, flowing conversations. Imagine a super smart parrot that not only repeats what you say, but also understands the context and gives you meaningful, insightful responses. LaMDA stands for Language Model for Dialogue Applications, and it was designed to make interactions with AI more natural and engaging. Cool, right? But not quite cosmic. Enter Gemini in December 2023, supercharging Bard with next-level capabilities. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a jetpack. So what makes Gemini the superstar in Google's AI lineup? Well, for starters, it's got multimodal chops. This means it doesn't just handle text. No, it can juggle images, audio, and video too. Think of it as the AI equivalent of a multi-tool gadget from a spy movie. Its advanced reasoning skills allow it to understand context better than your high school English teacher probably did. And with different sizes, Ultra, Pro, and Nano, there's a Gemini for every task, from heavy-duty data crunching to snappy mobile apps. Gemini isn't just about flashy features. No, it's got brains too, using natural language processing, deep learning algorithms, and neural networks to process and understand human language with remarkable accuracy. It's like having a personal translator, code reviewer, and math tutor rolled into one. The Ultra model, for example, scored around 90% on the MMLU test. Now, what's that test, you're asking? Okay, so it stands for the Massive Multitask Language Understanding. It's a benchmark designed to see how well AI models can handle a wide range of subjects. So imagine a massive trivia quiz that covers everything from math and physics to law and history. Scoring high on this test means the AI can understand and respond to complex questions across various fields, often better than human experts. So when we say Gemini's Ultra model nailed it, we are talking about top-tier performance in some serious tough topics. So where does Gemini shine in the real world? Well, everywhere, right? It's integrated into Google Search. I'm sure you're seeing that pop up now when you engage with Google Search. It makes your queries a little bit smarter, summarizes content quicker and easier for you. It's now in Google's Workspace, turning your docs and sheets into collaborative powerhouses. It's even in your pocket with your Gemini Nano model running on the Pixel 8 Pro. If you have a Pixel 8 Pro, I personally have an iPhone, but who's bragging? Not me. Now go forth and engage with Google Gemini and see what you think. You can access Gemini by going to gemini.google.com. I say all this because I think the best ways to engage with these models is just to start toying with them, whether it's ChatGPT, whether it's Google's Gemini, whether it's Claude by Anthropic, or maybe you like Microsoft Copilot. That's your flavor. That's great. The best way you can get better with these large language models is just to start to engage with them. So that's all for today's exploration into Google's Gemini. If you've got questions, thoughts, or just want to connect, you can find me on LinkedIn. Just look up Emily Laird and let's keep the conversation going. Till next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and remember, you know more about Google's Gemini now than you did when you arrived.